Clap your hands and sing with me.
Move to the beat with Christmas tree. Yeah!
Sometimes I'm not in the mood to do what I know I should, and things that always should be done are boring and it's not much fun. If I complain or cry about, it seems that there is no way out. So these are the items on my list. I try to give them a little twist. If vacuum the house makes you really sad, here's my idea to make you glad. So snap, snap while you push the vacuum cleaner, and I'm sure this will change your demeanor. Here we go! Snap, snap, snap and vacuum the floor, and suddenly you wanna vacuum more, and pulling, pushing on the floor. Now this chore you will adore. Snap, snap, snap and vacuum the floor, and suddenly you wanna vacuum more, pulling, pushing on the floor. Now this chore you will adore. If washing dishes you can't celebrate, if you hate touching the greasy plate, just nod your head and you will see dirty dishes can be great company. Nod your head and wash each plate. Nod, 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 you'll feel great. Nod your head and wash every dish and spoon, and you'll want to wash all afternoon. Nod your head and wash each plate. Nod, 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 you'll feel great. Nod your head and wash every dish and spoon, and you want to wash all afternoon. If sweeping the kitchen is not your sport, I'm here to give you my support. If you shake your hips, shake left and right, sweeping the kitchen will be your delight. Shake, shake and slide the broom, I think I saw this on a cartoon. Shake, shake and shake in style, sweeping the kitchen will make you smile. If pulling out the weeds it's not much fun, crouching and sweating in the sun, jumping like a frog might do the trick. You'll be pulling weeds out every week. So jump, jump, pull every weed. Jump, jump, and you'll succeed. Jump, jump like a kangaroo. Pulling the weeds will be a dream come true. Jump, jump, and pull every weed. Jump, jump, and you'll succeed. Jump, jump like a kangaroo. Pulling the weeds will be a dream come true. Now with these chores you'll have so much fun. You feel so good to get things done. So when your parents will give you a chore, you will beg to give you more. Snap your fingers, nod your head, you'll find these chores are not so bad. And if you give a shake, 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 all these chores will be a piece of cake. All these chores will be a piece of cake. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up down below. See you soon.